What is the value of the expression 30 divided by 5 over 6 multiplied by 12? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression confuses a lot of people and make them choose the wrong option. Let's go step by step and solve it together. At the beginning of solving this question, many people go straight to the expression 5 over 6 multiplied by 12, which I have highlighted in yellow because they think multiplication has priority over division. And they say it's easy to simplify 12 with the 6 in the denominator and write this expression as 30 divided by 10, which finally gives them the answer 3. Then, without any hesitation, they immediately say that the correct answer to this question is option A. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Alright, now let me explain step by step how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule exactly as I've shown on the screen. It means that we have to perform all the operations in order from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see on the screen, in this expression, we have one division sign followed by a multiplication sign. It's very important to note that multiplication and division are at the same level of precedence. In this case, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move step by step toward the right. So, first we start with the expression 30 divided by 5 over 6. Okay, whenever we come across a division sign between two terms, the best thing to do is to apply the KCF rule. And this rule, K stands for keep the first number as it is. C stands for change the division sign to multiplication. And F stands for flip the second fraction. So, we remove the highlighted part and replace it with 30 multiplied by 6 over 5. Now, the number 30 cancels out with the 5 in the denominator and this expression simplified to 36 multiplied by 12, which finally gives us the answer 432. That's great. Option D is the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let's solve another tricky math question together. What is the value of the expression 32 divided by 4 multiplied by open parentheses 5 minus 1 close parentheses and again multiplied by 2? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? Let's dive in and break it down step by step together. Many people when trying to solve this question first go for the expression inside the parentheses because they believe parentheses have a higher priority than the other operations. So, they simplify this expression to 32 divided by 4 times 4 and then multiplied by 2. And the next step, they go for the two multiplication signs that I've highlighted in yellow because they think multiplication has a higher priority than division. So, instead of this expression, they write 32 divided by 32, which finally gives them the answer 1. And immediately, they conclude that the correct answer to this question is option A. But I have to say we were tricked and it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let me walk you through step by step how to solve this expression correctly. To solve this question, we must follow a rule that is called PEMDAS. PEMDAS shows us the priority of the order of operations. Okay, and the first step, we go for the expression inside the parentheses because it has the highest priority among all the operations. So, instead of this expression, we can write 32 divided by 4 times 4 and again multiplied by 2. Alright, as you can see on the screen, in this expression, we have one division sign followed by two multiplication signs. We must pay close attention that multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority in the PEMDAS rule. In this situation, the best thing to do is to start from the left and perform these two operations in order. So, first we perform the division between 32 and 4, which simplified this expression to 8 multiplied by 4 and again multiplied by 2. And the final step, we perform the multiplication between 8 and 4, and instead of this expression, we can write 32 multiplied by 2, which finally gives us the answer 64. Therefore, option D is the correct answer to this question.